Long time no talk. I've been missing in action, but I've been working on a new set of tutorials, specifically the AWS Solutions Architect Associate and how to pass that certificate. But not only how to pass it, how to actually use this knowledge to create apps like TutorialRepo, which is a platform that I'm also building at the same time. So I'm building a platform to host all of my tutorials. And the first tutorial to be launched is called Solutions Architect Associate. So how conveniently named, but it's on my own platform. I will also put it out on YouTube for free, and I'll put it on Udemy, trying to expand my marketing as much as I can. But the actual content is free on YouTube, just like this Cradle to Grave R and any of my C++ videos. They're all free. But what you gain in the tutorial repo application that has the Solutions Architect Associate course, it's a mouthful. It's very organized and structured, and it keeps track of where you're at. It gives you extra questions and answers, visual diagrams to follow. When there's a question about specific AWS components, you can click on the visual diagram and it gives you the answer visually, which is pretty awesome. Either way, it's pretty cool. I know this is an R channel, or maybe this is on my C++ channel, or whatever, my main channel. But if you're interested in my style of teaching, I'm not an expert in anything. I just happen to like teaching. And if you like my teaching style, the way that I edit, the microphone quality, the video quality, the zoom, all that good stuff, if you appreciate that and you want to try something new, check it out. I'll send the links down below, and you can check it out for free.